Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Next question from the Noble Bishop. Read the following extract and answer the questions below. Friend, sit down and warm yourself. You may be tired. It is for 3 marks. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? So let us see what are the questions. The statement is extracted from the lesson. Friend, sit down and warm yourself. You may be tired. Who said these words? The bishop said these words. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು? Bishop ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. Who is addressed as friend? Here, the convict, Jean Valjean, was addressed as friend. So Bishop addresses him as friend and asks him to sit down and take some rest. See, why did he call him friend? ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಷಪ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? The bishop was kind and compassionate. ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದಯೆ ಉಳ್ಳವರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So he called him friend. Thank you.